vegetables. Here are the veggies that I'm putting into my Rasta Pasta dish tonight. So I have fresh garlic, red onions, yellow onions, jalapenos. I removed the seeds, but it gives it an extra kick. The main kick in Rasta Pasta actually comes from jerk seasoning, but this is just for great flavor. And you can't have Rasta Pasta without your array of sweet peppers or bell peppers, if you want to call them. We've got the colors of the Rasta rainbow: red, yellow, green, and splash of orange for the sunlight. So I'm going to add all of this. You can definitely add any seasoning that you like onion powder, garlic powder, Creole seasoning mix, chili powder, cayenne pepper, red flakes, adobo. But the star of the show for Rasta Pasta will forever be Jamaican jerk seasoning. You could do spicy, you could do mild. I know this Jamaican does not like spicy food, but I'll add like 2 tablespoons of this in the mixture. Rasta Pasta. Really, Reed? All done.